perform the actions prescribed by the Vedas. Now, in the fourth mantra, let's see what Bhagavan is deciding in between this confusion. In the fourth mantra is saying, Nishchayam Shrume Tatra Tyage Bharat Sattama Tyago He Purusha Vyagra Trividha Samprakirtita Tatra Evam Vadi Vipratipanne Tyage Tyag Visham Nishcham Me Matta Sanu. O Arjuna, if you are talking about the confusions related to Tyag, there is a difference between the Sankhya Yogi and the Bhaktas. So, if you want to listen, I will provide my own discussion. I will provide my conclusion myself. Tyaga kriyamaneshu eva vaidikeshu karmasu phali vishayataya karma vishayataya कर्तृत्व विषयतया पूर्वम एव हि मया त्रिविधा संप्रकीर्तिता मयि सर्वाणि कर्माणि सम्यक् निराशीर निर्ममो भूत्वा युद्धस्व विगत ज्वरः. As said in 3:30, I have decided that the Tyag is based at 3 levels. First level is while performing any kind of Vedic karmas, the first Tyag is to get detached from the fruits of all such Vedic actions. The second Tyag is karma vishayataya, that is to get rid from all such actions prescribed by the Vedas. And the third is to get rid from the doership of all such actions. So to see these 3 levels of Tyag, these 3 types of Tyag had been discussed by me in 3:30 earlier. Karmajanyam swarga. Now we shall try to understand what does this mean. Karmajanyam swargadikam phalam mamana syat iti phalam Tyaga. That I am not ready to get benefited by the fruits of my actions, which will provide me heaven, Swarga. I don't want Swarga, I don't want Chandralok, I don't want Varunlok. So this is the Tyag to get rid of fruits. Now, Madhya Phala Sadhanataya Madhyam Idam Karma Iti Karmani Mamataya Parityaga Karma Vishaya Tyaga. As my karma, my actions are out to provide me fruits. No doubt, the fruits are good or bad. It doesn't matter to me. It doesn't affect me anymore. But these fruits are mine. In this way, if the attachment with the actions not bothering about the fruits to be attained later on, to be achieved later on, to be benefited later on. If there is a connection between the actions, we shall try to break such bondages with the actions too. Sarveshware, this is called Karma Vishaya Tyaga. The Tyag related to the Tyag to get rid of the bondage with the actions. Now, Kartritva. Sarveshware Kartritvanam Sandhanena Atmana Kartita Tyaga Kartritva Vishaya Tyaga. When someone accepts that whatever good or bad, if performed in this world, it is not me the doer, it is the Bhagavan Shivan Narayana who is the real doer of all such actions, either the good or bad. If such doership surrenderance is in nature, then that is called the Tyag related to Kartritva. So in this way, the Tyag at 3 levels. The Tyag at the level of fruits, Tyag at the level of actions, and Tyag at the level of doership had been understood.